Hello guys, welcome back once again. Please, if today is your first time visiting our channel, kindly subscribe. So we have x cubed is equal to 1 or x exponent 3 is equal to 1. In this case, we are solving for the values of x, okay? So we have x exponent 3 is equal to 1. And we know that x exponent 3 is equal to 1 exponent 3, okay? 1 exponent 3 is the same as 1. Good. Now, can we write this as x exponent 3 minus 1 exponent 3 is equal to 0? Okay, so this one becomes cubic equation. Okay, now it means that the values of x that we are going to get will be 3. So back to algebra, when we have a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, okay, bracket a squared plus ab plus b cubed, b squared rather, sorry, which is equal to 0. So our equation is going to be, so we have our x cubed minus 1 cubed is equal to, so we have x minus 1 bracket, then we have x squared plus, sorry, plus x multiplied by 1 plus 1 squared is equal to 0. Okay, now let's simplify this. This is equal to x minus 1 out into bracket x squared, x times 1, we're having x, so plus x, 1 squared is 1, so plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so with this, we say that x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so to solve this, x is equal to 0 plus 1. So our x is equal to 1. Now from here, let's continue this. Let's solve this. We have x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so let's use the quadratic formula to solve this, which is say x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all of 2 multiplied by 8. X is equal to, with this, our b is 1, negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1. So our x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 all over 2. So let's continue from here. So our x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of negative 3 on 2. So we have x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus this. We can write it as square root of 3 multiplied by square root of negative 1 all over 2. So our x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 3i, because square root of negative 1 is I, that is complex, all over 2. Okay, so our answer for this equation, we have x1, which is equal to 1, and then x2, we have minus 1 plus square root of 3 and 2, and then x3, we have minus 1 plus, sorry, minus square root of 3i on 2. So these are the possible answers for this problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.